Have you ever opened an AI-written essay and instantly thought, yeah, this definitely sounds like a machine wrote it? And maybe you've spent hours rewriting sentences hoping it will quietly slide past Turnitin or GPTZero, only to get flagged again? Trust me, that frustration is real. And in an AI-driven world, this problem keeps getting worse fast. So here's what you do. Today, I'm showing you something that is actually useful and practical. It's called Tenorshare AI Bypass. And this tool takes stiff robotic AI text and turns it into natural human-sounding writing in literally one click. Stick around until the end because I will show you exactly how to use it step by step and how to actually pass those aggressive AI detection systems without stress. Real quick, check the links in the description after watching because there may be discounts waiting for you. Now let's break it down. Why Tenorshare AI Bypass even matters. So you already know platforms like Turnitin, GPTZero, and CopyLeaks are constantly scanning for anything that feels AI generated. And if you're using ChatGPT or similar tools, that's a major roadblock. So what is the solution? Meet Tenorshare AI Bypass. It's a smart system designed specifically to rewrite AI content into human-like natural language that slips past even the toughest detectors. And this is not some lazy paraphrasing tool. It actually restructures vocabulary, sentence flow, and tone so well that it feels like a real person wrote it. And the bonus here is you don't have to guess if it worked, because it includes its own AI detector built right in, so you can preview results before submitting anything, which is huge, especially on tight deadlines. And the interface is clean, fast, and simple. So even if you're rushing last minute, this tool has your back. Now, let me show you exactly how it works step by step. So here's what you do. Head over to the Tenorshare website and log in. Click the login button in the top right corner, then sign in using your email and password or just use Google. If this is your first time, you can create an account in seconds. Now, before testing anything, let's generate a quick example essay using ChatGPT. I ask it to write a 300-word essay about character development in A Christmas Carol at a 10th grade level. And in seconds, the essay is done. But honestly, it sounds generic and robotic. Phrases like transforms from and is deeply affected by are dead giveaways of AI. And chatbots love passive voice, which detectors catch easily. So let's copy this essay and see what the detectors think before moving forward. Real quick, if you like clear tutorials like this, drop a like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Now let's head back to Tenorshare. Go to AI Bypass and choose the free AI detector. Paste the text and click Check for AI. You can skip the survey if it pops up. Then wait a few seconds, and here's the key part. Tenorshare checks your content against 10 different detectors, including Turnitin, and the result shows only about 50% likely human written, which is risky. Now let's fix that. Switch to AI Bypass, choose Ultra Enhanced mode, which is designed for strict detectors, select Academic Tone, then click Humanize, and wait a moment. Now you can immediately see the difference. The structure stays intact, so your visuals still match, but the vocabulary sounds more natural, simpler, and more human. Some extra filler phrases are removed and the word count drops slightly, which actually helps authenticity. Now let's test the new version. Go back to the detector, paste the updated essay, click Check for AI, and wait a few seconds. And there it is. All 10 detectors confirm the content is likely human written. Now, to be extra safe, let's test it externally. Copy the essay, head to GPTZero, paste it in, and click Scan. And once again, the result shows highly likely human written, which is exactly what we want. One last pro tip. Do not skip this part if you want even higher scores. You can run the essay through AI Bypass one more time for an extra layer of natural flow. Just don't overdo it. Balance is key. And that's it, guys. If you found this useful, drop a comment if you're ready to try it, and let me know if you want more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links and discounts, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.